How to unlock a temporarily locked Snapchat account. I know that using Snapchat can be a lot of fun, but sometimes things don't go as smoothly as we'd like. If you're watching this video, it's likely because you've encountered the dreaded message. Your Snapchat account has been temporarily locked. Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, I'm going to guide you through the steps to unlock your temporarily locked Snapchat account. First step, open up the Snapchat app. Go to your profile. From your profile, tap on the gear icon on the top right corner. Find the support section and tap on I need help. In the search box, enter the word locked. Tap on the suggested article below. Scroll down and find My account has been temporarily locked. You'll find a link here. Tap on Going Here. Scroll down a bit for more options and tap on Unlock My account. In this page, there's another Unlock button at the bottom. Tap on it, and that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.